Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. It's India More. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I put my clip-ins in. The last time I did a video with the Better Lip tape ins, I was explaining on how, you know, they came in the mail and how I didn't like the fact that they took for a long time. And I told you guys I was going to get them put in. But until I get them put in, I'm going to keep wearing my clip-ins, the ones that I told you guys that I made myself, which are these right here. I made these. And before I started wearing clip-ins, and you know, like I said, I'm about to start wearing tape-ins, I always wear wigs, or I wear my real hair. I wear like a bun and stuff. But I'm just tired of styles that don't look natural. Like, I want more styles that look like my real hair. So here they go right here. So instead of making your clip-ins with needle and thread, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do it an easy way. We're done with that needle and thread. It takes too long, it takes all day. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your clip-in, and I'm gonna take one right here and I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna take one off so you guys can see. So it's no clip-in, right? You're gonna go to the beauty supply store. You're gonna buy the clips that's already in the pack, the little clips, not the big ones. And you're gonna go to Dollar Tree and get you some super glue, nail glue. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the super glue and you're gonna put it on the track of the hair. And I actually learned this method from a good friend of mine named Jasmine, because she was telling me she did it with her clip-ins, and I was like, that is so much easier than buying the needle and the thread and literally taking all day to sew the combs on the hair. So you're gonna put the glue on the track. And let me tell you guys, this lasts for a long time. Of course, after a while, the glue might loosen up a little bit, but this is gonna be my third install with the same clip-ins, and I hadn't had any tracks loosening up from the clips, so that just goes to show how long they last. So you're gonna take the track and put the comb on the glue. And you're gonna hold it on there. Oops, hold on. You're gonna hold the track and the comb on the glue like that. And you just hold it until it dries. Now this hair is a little damp because I washed it. You do want to have dry hair when you're putting these on, because it does make a difference. The glue will stick to your fingers a little bit, but it's nothing that you can't peel off. So you just hold it to the track. Just like so. And like I said, this hair is kind of wet, so. And this track right here is only gonna have one comb on it, because it's not enough hair for it to have two combs. So while that's drying, I'm gonna show you the track that would have two combs. So this one's a little longer. You will put two combs on this one. And then one that's like this long, you would have three combs on this one. Do the same exact method. And when I tell you guys, you will get this done in no time. It will probably take a good 30 minutes for you. And this is 2 bundles of hair. So you'll get it done quickly. It's not gonna take all day like it would if you did needle and thread. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna do a voiceover for the rest of the video, because I'm gonna demonstrate how I exactly put them in. Okay? I'll do that. Hey y'all, just had to come back on here real quick. I'm actually not going to do a voiceover because it's pretty self-explanatory. Just sit back, get you a glass of wine, eat some popcorn, whatever, and enjoy. And leave a comment below. Let me know how you guys like the video. But I just really want you guys to watch and pay attention and see how I put these clip-ins in. Hey you guys, I'm back on. So this is the finished look after I'm wetting it down a little bit, putting a little gel and conditioner. Remind you guys, normally I would use Nairobi foaming mousse, but I was out, so I had to improvise with what I had. I do have one piece of hair left, and what I normally do is I wait till it's completely dry and then I'll add in the other piece, because when it gets a little bit drier, my hair is not so slick to where it feels so thin. It gets a little bit coarse when the hair is dry, so then I'll have a little bit more space in there somewhere, and I'll just put it in somewhere that I feel is need be, if I feel like it's needs a little fullness in one spot or something like that. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again until next time. Bye, baby.